This tutorial is about students completing an assigned project. Students go to their student dashboard and click the class. Then they select the lesson or project that they want to begin working on. This will take them to the project details page. Now the Start Project cannot be clicked until they accept their jobs. This is also where the project summary and key terms from learning goals and learning targets are. Notice that students can move around their jobs, but once they click Accept Jobs, they no longer can move any of them around. Now they go up and click Start Project. This screen contains the tool that groups will be using to guide them through the 4 phases of their project, enabling the group to create their 45-second student narrated video. The black and blue sections represent the jobs the student is responsible for. When a student clicks the job, it will direct them to the screen that allows them to complete that job. Groups need to capture, narrate, and reflect during each phase. Here's an example of someone capturing their plan with a GoPro camera. After they've captured their plan, they would upload their plan into the app. Here's footage of part of the plan. Students can use any type of capturing device to capture all 4 phases of CrossBraining. Now the student will take the GoPro camera, open the latch, attach the micro USB, turn the camera on, wait for the screen to light up, and then plug in the USB. It is important to note that when you attach a camera to your computer, a screen will appear signaling that the computer has detected it. You need to close that screen. It is really easy for students to forget to close out of that screen. When you close out of that screen, it allows the CrossBraining app to choose a file and access the camera or other video stored on your computer. Now that you are out of that screen, it allows the CrossBraining app to access the video files that are in the capturing device you are using. You can see the files on the left in this Chromebook. I can either pull the video from the Google Drive or from the Hero 4 session camera that I plugged in. In this scenario, I'm choosing the Hero 4 session, then I click DCIM. Regardless of the computer your students are using, when you attach a camera device to a computer, the video files will be stored in a folder called DCIM, which is a digital camera file. If you're using a Chromebook, the video that you just took will show up at the very top as an MP4. Once you have selected your video, it's time to trim it. You must select a start point and select an end point. When you do that, it will give you the total amount of time that you have chosen in that video to save. If it is too much, you can drag back the end point, click it, and your new time will appear, and then you save the video. Now a green check mark appears to signify that you're done. Now it's time to narrate. Click the Narrate and you can type in your narration using the key terms from the standards, and after you have typed out your sentence, you can go ahead and click Record. When you click Record, a 3, 2, 1 countdown appears. Our plan is to build a ramp to show potential and kinetic energy. It's important to note that it records the entire length of the video. It is not necessary to click anything to stop. Now you can listen to your video. Our plan is to build a ramp to show potential and kinetic energy. If you like your fluency, you can save it. If not, you can re-record. The green check mark signifies that the narration is complete. Now it's time to answer the reflection questions. Simply read the question and type in the answer. Now you can see the green check mark near reflect, and you can also see how much video you have remaining to get to the 45 seconds. I'm back on the teacher dashboard. I select the class. I'm going to go into the project and now click group status. All of the blue icons indicate that they are done with those jobs and the phases. When the director icon turns blue, that indicates that the student group has encoded and saved their video, and it automatically sends it into group status so that you can view it. After you're done viewing that video, you can go on to another group's video.